Hello and welcome to Maths by SAS. This is my first lesson of chapter number 9. Book is PTB Class 9 Science Group and the topic is Introduction to Coordinate Geometry. And students, in this class will be learning and discussing the application of distance formula when 2 points are given to us. So, let us move to the discussion of today's class without wasting the time. But before starting the lesson, I just want to say that if you are new to my channel or you have not subscribed to my channel, you have to subscribe the channel, because this is the place from where you can not only get the solution of your problems regarding O levels, but for PTB science and arts groups and your statistics and economics problems as well. So, please, you have to visit the channel library and select the lessons which you feel are difficult for you. So, let us move to question number 1 and let me read the question. Question says, find the distance between the following pairs of points, and A has the coordinates 9 and 2 and B has the coordinates 7 and 2, and we know that the symbol for the distance is D equals to AB modulus lines, and what we have to do, we have to take the difference between the x coordinates, and then we have to take the square of that, and then we have to take the difference between y coordinates, and finally we have to take the sum, and whatever value we are getting, we have to take the square root of that, where A has the coordinates x1 y1 and B has the coordinates x2 y2. This is the formula that we are going to apply, students, in today's class. So, let us start the solution of the question. First, it is really good to write on the formula that D equals to AB equals to x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square, and under the root, where we know that the coordinates of the first point are x1 y1 and the coordinates of the second point are x2 y2. And now what we have to do, students, we simply have to insert the values carefully. AB x2 which is 7 minus 9 whole square plus y2 is 2 and y1 is as well 2 minus 2 whole square, and under the root, let me make it clear, and 9 minus 7 is 7 minus 9. 9 is big, okay. This is the error mistake that my students are making often. 7 minus 9 is 2 and 2 minus 2 is 0. So, I will have 0 square, or it will become 0. Now, remember that the square of the number, whether that is negative or positive, will become positive, and otherwise we have the modulus lines absolute values here. So, due to the absolute value, it will become positive and it will become 4 plus 0, which is equal to 4, and we know 4 is a perfect square. So, remember what we are going to do with this. 2 square raised to power 1 by 2, this goes with this, and answer of the first part is 2 units. I hope you are clear about this, and let us move to the B part, and let me see the question from the book. A has the coordinates 2 and minus 6 and B has the coordinates 3 and minus 6. Very easy. What we have to do, okay, we simply have to apply what the formula, that distance AB equals to square root, and then I have to take the difference between x coordinates x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square under the root, and now look that this is x1, this is y1, this is x2, and this is y2. And now x2 minus x1 means 3 minus 2 whole square plus minus 6 minus, this minus is from the formula, and minus 6 and whole square under the root, and 3 minus 2 is 1 square plus, now apply this minus sign, this will become minus 6 plus 6 whole square and under the root, and this is 1 plus 6 goes with 6 0, or which is equal to 1. I hope you are really clear about this question, and let us move to the next part, and let me read the question from the book. Question 1 C part says that we have to find the distance between the points which are minus 8 and 1 and 6 and 1, minus 8 and 1 and 6 and 1. So, what we have to do is that we have to quickly apply the distance formula, that distance equals to what? You have to learn the formula carefully. AB equals to x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square under the root, under square root we have to take the square root of these sum of the square differences of x and y. And now, keeping in mind that the coordinates of first point, they are x1 y1 and this is x2 and y2. Okay, now x2 is 6 minus 8 and I have to put the modulus values, absolute value whole square plus y2 1 minus 1 and whole square, and then I have to put the square root symbol. Okay, now look, that 6 minus 8 minus multiplied by minus will become positive. This is 6 plus 8, 1 goes with 1 and it will become 0. This is 6 plus 8 is 14 square. So, what we can do is that we know that 14 is a perfect square, okay, or what otherwise we can do is that 14 square raised to power 1 by 2, this goes with this, and distance between the points will be 14 units. Okay, now moving to the next part, and the next part has the coordinates a minus 4 and under root 2 and b is minus 4 minus 3. So, let us quickly apply the formula. Distance AB equals to x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square and under the root. And now, children, what is x1 y1? The coordinates of first point x1 and y1 and the second point x2 and y2. If you find difficulty, you can write the coordinates with x and y at the top. Some of the students find easy in this way as well. Now, x2 is minus 4 minus 4 whole square plus y2 which is minus 3 minus under root 2 whole square. Now, look, this minus will be multiplied by this minus sign and this will become minus 4 plus 4 whole square plus. Now, look, both the terms have the minus sign. With that, I can extract it, I can pull it out. Okay, this is a concept that all of the matric students and all level students know very well. And now, look, 4 goes with 4 this is 0 square plus when I will take the square of this minus 1, or when I will be applying this absolute values, it will become positive and I will left with 3 plus under root 2. Under root 2 whole square, or what we can do is 3 plus under root 2 whole square raised to power of 1 by 2 due to the square root. This goes with this, and I will have just 3 plus under root 2, 3 plus under root 2 with me. So, let me write the answer at the top, 3 plus under root 2. I hope you are clear about this, and let us move to the next part, and the next part is having the coordinates. Point A has the coordinates 3 and minus 11, and B has the coordinates 3 and minus 4. 3 and minus 4. Okay. Now, everybody knows and clear about this, that first what we have to do, we have to apply and write down the formula, the distance AB equal to, if you are solving the question in this way, there is no reason that you are not getting full marks in your board exams. X2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square under the root, and now x2 is 3 minus 3 whole square plus minus 4 minus and minus 11, and I have to keep the bracket here, and then I have to keep all the terms under square root. And now look, this 3 goes with 3, and I will left with square root of 0 plus minus will be multiplied by minus, it will become minus 4 plus 11 whole square, and 11 minus 4 will become 7 square. So, what we can do is that 7 square multiplied by 1 by 2, which will give me 2 goes with 2, and 7 units is the answer for this question. And moving to the last part, in the last part the point A has the coordinates 0 0 and B has the coordinates 0 and minus 5. So, recall the distance formula. What is the distance formula? The distance AB equals to x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square and under square root. Now, what is x1 y1? The first point has the coordinates x1 y1, and the second has the coordinates x2 y2. And now, what we can do is that x2 0 minus 0 whole square plus y2 has the value minus 5 minus 0 whole square under the root, and 0 minus 0 is 0 square or 0 plus minus 5 square. So, I will left with what, students? This will become 0, and here when I will be taking the square, or I will be applying these modulus values or absolute values, it will become 5 square only. And now 5 square multiplied by 1 by 2, this goes with this, and this will be 5 units. I hope, students, you are really clear about how to apply distance formula for finding the distance between two given points. One of the important concepts of your board exams, and this can come in your short questions. So, must watch and understand this question, and for the next difficulty level for question number 2, I will be catching you in the next class. So, do not miss the class, because in that class I will be telling you one technical point, and I will be helping you to and give you the tricks how to secure full marks in your board examinations. Please watch my lessons, like, share and subscribe the channel, and press bell icon to get the notification of every lesson in time. Thank you very much.